Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we've got a couple of glitches to talk about as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, let's take a quick look at our insert schedule, and it looks like on today, December the 18th, we will not be receiving any new inserts in today's Sunday newspapers, and again, we won't have any new inserts for next week, which will be December the 25th either. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. Now, a couple of quick things here. Please let me know down in the comment section below, do you all plan on doing 5 off $25 scenarios next Saturday? Because that will be December the 24th, which is Christmas Eve. So please let me know down in the comment section what your plans are. Do you already have plans with family and friends on Christmas Eve, or do you still plan on going out and getting some deals? Now, the second thing is, if you guys missed my video from yesterday, just a quick little run through, there was some bonus savings out there for the taking. So if you did any 5 off $25 scenarios yesterday, you should be receiving another 5 off $25 coupon that you can use this week, Monday through Friday, on your accounts. But that coupon will not show up on your accounts until Monday, alright? So if you did any 5 off $25 scenarios yesterday, make sure that you check your accounts tomorrow on Monday to see if that second 5 off $25 coupon shows up for you all, okay? Alright, now next up we have a $3 off coupon when you purchase one Pepsi and one Lay's product. Now this coupon is showing up as applying to a lot of different products. However, once I add those to my list or to my cart, it is not showing that coupon coming off. So I'm not quite sure what's going on with this one. We're probably gonna have to play around with it a little bit. If anybody has used this in the store, please let us know in the comment section how that worked out for you, but just be aware this one might be a little weird. All right, next up we have a 3 off one for the Charmin 16 count mega rolls. These are priced at $20, so after the coupon you're going to pay $17. We have a $150 off one for the finished products. So if you want to pick up the 12 count of dishwasher tablets, those are priced at $3.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. We have a 1 off one for the Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Next up, we have a 1 off one for the Colgate toothpaste. This does work on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. However, we do have some higher value coupons, so I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. Next up, we have 75% off one for the Suave deodorant. So those are priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.90. Those are on the 2.6 ounce deodorants. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 1.4 ounce deodorant. So the smaller ones, those are priced at $1.35. So after the coupon, that is going to leave you paying just 60 cents. Alright, next up we have a 3 off one for the Gain Flings, the Fireworks, or the Fabric Softener. Those are all priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. Then we also have a 1 off one for the Gain Liquid Laundry Detergents. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Alright, next up we have a $150 off one for the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. Those are pretty pricey at $7.35. So I went ahead and clipped that coupon, but I probably won't be picking up that product at Dollar General. Next up, we have a 1 off one for the Tide laundry detergents. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a 2 off one for the Sparkle paper towels, 6 count double rolls. Those are priced at $6.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. Not a bad deal. We have a 5 off one for the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. Those are priced at $7.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Then we have a $150 off one for the Chlorine sprays. Those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Be aware though, you may still have that lower value 1 off one coupon on your account, but I do think that one expires here in the next week or so. Alright, moving on down, we have a 1 off one for the Downy products. Those start out at $5, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4. We have a 1 off one for the Energizer batteries. So if you want to pick up the 4 count AA or AAA batteries, those are priced at $4.10. After the coupon you're going to pay $3.10. We have $1.50 off one for the Glad trash bags. So pay attention to the count that you pick up, because some boxes are like a 48 count and then other boxes are a 74 count, but they are both priced at $9.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.25. Alright, next up, 2 off 1 for the Downy products. Those are priced at $10.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.95. We have a 75-cent off digital coupon for the 9 Lives dry cat food. So if you want to pick up the 3.47 pound bags, those are priced at $4.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.90. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the, I believe it's a 12-ounce bag, really small bags. Those are priced at $1.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 60 cents. Next up, we have $2.50 off one for the Merci chocolates. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. But be aware, you may have a lower value 1 off 1 coupon already clipped to your account. So just double check that. We've got 3 off 1 for the Nicorette, 1 off 2 for the Pearl Milling products. 50 cents off for the Kinder Joy holiday eggs. Those are priced at $1.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.15. We have 1 off 1 for the Mucinex. Those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. 50 cents off for the Clorox dishwasher tablets. The 30 count, those are priced at $8.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.75. Moving on down, we have 25 cents off for the Ajax or Palmolive dish soaps. So if you want to pick up the Palmolive, that is a 12.6 ounce bottle. Those are priced at $1.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.10. If you want to pick up the Ajax, that is a 14 ounce bottle. Those are priced at $1.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25. Next up, we have a 3 off 1 for the Tide laundry detergents. These are priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. We have 50 cents off for the Reynolds wrap. These are priced at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We also have a 1 off 1 for the 4 packs of Monster energy drinks. Those are priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. We have $1.50 off 1 for the Pinoline 128 ounce bottles. Those are priced at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. But again, be aware, you may still have that 1 off 1 coupon on your account from a few weeks ago. Alright, next up, 1 off 1 for the Cascade. 50 cents off for the Temptation Mega bags of cat treats. Those are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We also have a 1 off 1 for the Irish Spring soft soap, body washes, and bar soaps. So those have went up pretty significantly this year. This soft soap is now priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you'd pay $4.50. The Irish Spring is now at $5.35. So after the coupon, you'd pay $4.35. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Poise. Those are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have 50 cents off for the Reese's Miniatures Filled Holiday Candy Canes. Those are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. We have a 2 off 1 for the Airwick Automatic Spray Refills. Those are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Here's a really good deal. We have a 2 off 1 for the Colgate Minions products. So if you want to pick up the toothpaste, those are priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. We have a 1 off 1 for the Reese's holiday candies. So Reese's and Hershey's, sorry about that. Those are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Next up, 1 off 3 for the 4 packs of 12-ounce bottles of Coca-Cola products. So these are actually on sale this week, 3 for $8. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 3. Moving on down, we have the DG Cold and Flu Relief. Those are priced at $5. So after that coupon, you're going to pay $4. Then we have a 1 off 1 for the Children's Ibuprofen. Those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have Save $3 when you spend $8 on any Scent Happy products. These start out at $1 each for the little bath bombs. So if you wanted to pick up 8 of the bath bombs at $1 each, after that coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 8. Look what we have up next. A 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, and take a look at when that one expires. Of course, it expires on Saturday on Christmas Eve, so December the 24th. And of course, all of this has to line up whenever we just received all those awesome gain coupons. So what do we have, like 3 or 4 new gain coupons this week? So of course they give us the 5 off 30, and it falls on Christmas Eve. So again, you guys let me know down in the comment section, what are your plans, or did you go out and do those 5 off $25 scenarios yesterday to receive the 5 off $25 coupon that you can use during the week this week? Now, if that is the case, if there's a lot of you guys who did that, I can definitely come up with some 5 off $25 scenarios that you can do all week long, all right? So just let me know down in the comment section. Now, next up, we have a $1.50 off one for the DG Health Ibuprofen. Those are priced at $8.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.25. We also have a one-off one for the DG Health, or the Rexall Apple Cider Vinegar Vitamins. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And then we have 25 cents off for the True Living Trash Bags. Those are priced at $4.70, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.45. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around because we have the penny list video coming up next. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.